Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by closing Messages and then opening it again to sign out. This prevents new messages during removal. Go to Messages Preferences iMessage, click Sign Out, and confirm with your Apple ID password. Once done, open FaceTime and sign out there as well to stop device activation. Make sure you've backed up any conversations you need, because signing out detaches message syncing and can make local copies harder to retrieve if you later delete app files. Next, you disable syncing so messages won't reappear. Open System Settings, click your Apple ID, select iCloud, and toggle off Messages in iCloud. Wait for sync to complete. Then in Messages Preferences under iMessage, remove any reachable email addresses or phone numbers listed. Make sure contacts and phone settings aren't relinking those addresses. Once done, restart the Mac to clear cached credentials and ensure the system no longer attempts. Finally, quit Messages and open Finder to delete local data. Go to folder, enter /library/messages, and move the folder to trash. Empty trash after verifying. Then check /library/preferences for COM. Apple, iChat, list and remove it to clear preferences. Restart your MacBook Air, open Messages to confirm it now asks you to sign in. If you still see activation or sync issues, reset NVRAM or sign out of your Apple ID entirely and sign back in to refresh device associations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.